Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa community program ng inyong paboritong CLTV 36. Ito po ang topic. And syempre, I am Jody Dizon Mercado, ang inyong mga kasama sa kwentuhan ngayong araw. And syempre, para po sa karagdagang balita at updates, tumutok lamang ho kayo at mag-subscribe sa aming mga social media platforms. Ang aming pong Facebook pages ay CLTV 36 Official at CLTV 36 News. Dalawa po sila. At meron pa ho tayong isa pang, siyempre sa social media platform natin for Instagram naman po, ay CLTV 36 Official. And, magko-commercial po muna tayo. Standby lamang po kayo dyan. Babalik po ang inyong gwapong host. And again, nakatutok pa rin kayo sa community program ng inyong paboritong CLTV 36. Ito po ang topic. And syempre, this is Jody Dizon Mercado, ang inyong makakasama sa kwentuhan ngayong araw. And syempre, inaanyayahan po namin kayong tumutok at mag-subscribe sa aming mga social media platforms, ang aming buong Facebook pages. Hindi po isa, dalawa po sila. CLTV 36 Official at ang isa pa pong page namin ay CLTV 36 News. Samantala naman po sa Instagram, ito po ay CLTV 36 Official. Sa Twitter, CLTV 36. At para sa mga nais mapanood ang mga nagdaang episodes at programa ng CLTV 36 and ang aming latest uploads, mag-subscribe na ho kayo sa aming YouTube channel na CLTV 36 Official. And for more information regarding CLTV 36, i-type nyo lamang po sa inyong web browsers ang www.cltv36.tv. And ang aming pong TikTok naman ay at CLTV36. Bago po natin basahin ang inyong mga komento sa ating topic question of the day, nais ko po munang batiin ang chairman ng Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas Pampanga Chapter, si Sir Benny Ginto. Tito Benny, happy birthday po sa inyo. Mantakin ninyo, 70 years old ka na pala. Akala ko, 17 lang. Wishing you good health and maraming blessings pa po sa inyo, Tito Benny. And kung kayo po'y maghahanda, wag niyo ho kaming kalimutang imbitahan, kaming mga taga CLTV 36. Mabuhay ka at mag-birthday hanggang gusto nyo. Happy birthday, Tito Benny Ginto. Samantala, narito na pong inyong mga komento sa ating topic question of the day. Saan masarap magbakasyon tuwing summer? Ayan, saan nga ba? Kayo ba'y team staycation sa bahay? O kayo ay paaalis at merong gustong puntahan ng ating kasamang si Justin Dizon? Ang nais po niyang puntahan, no? Saan masarap magbakasyon ngayong summer? Sabi niya, Liwliwa, Zambales. Ako, hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan sa Liwliwa. Ang katabi ba ng Liwliwa, Zambales ay Nannan, Zambales. Siyempre, kung kaliwa, di kanan, Nannan, Zambales. Ang komento naman po ni Jazz Maria, siyempre, wish ko magbora sana. Nga lang, can't afford, laking budget. Pero, nung ating mag-sponsor, why not, di ba? Hopefully, sa mga gusto mag-sponsor, kay Jazz Maria, Bisaya pong magbora, ako mo balo, nung Boracay o Poracay. Po tatin yung pamukay pag-sponsor ni Johnny Coronel, ne? Mali mo, message na ka. Dala na ka Boracay. Sabi ni Ivan Liwanag na isa sa ating top fans, kahit saan, basta may budget, kahit staycation lang, sa malapit to escape from daily routine kung walang budget or kulang saan ka aabot. Minsan talaga, depende sa budget. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapadala ng mga komento sa ating topic question of the day. Just keep them sending. At papasahin po natin yan sa ating programa maya-maya po lamang. Pati na rin po ang inyong mga pabati greetings, shoutouts at mga pa-birthday greetings. Ilang araw na lamang ay makikilala na natin ang kokoronahan bilang susunod na Mutyaning San Fernando 2023. Ngunit bago ang most awaited coronation night, kumustahin muna natin kung gaano na kahanda ang bawat pambato ng mga barangay sa naturang kompetisyon. Ang una nating bisita, pangarap daw na maging isang flight attendant upang makapag-serve at maging bahagi ng travel journey ng bawat tao. Kung siya kaya ang kokoronahan bilang Mutyaning San Fernando 2023, paano niya gagamitin ang titulo upang ipagmalaki ang turismo ng syudad? Kilalanin natin si Crystal Camille Bamba, ang lalaban para sa Barangay Bulaon. Welcome sa Topic, Camille. Kamusta ka?
Hello po. Good afternoon po. Okay lang naman po.
Alright. Cams, katulad ng
Yes,
mga
po.
nagdaang bisita nating kandidata ng Mutyaning San Fernando, binibigyan kita ng pagkakataon ngayon na i-greet, i-shout out, batiin lahat ng gusto mong batiin, mga mahal sa buhay, kaibigan, supporters, ang iyong glam team. Pota, sa Gananda Karugu Bulaon, kay Bata, Morago sinout out, Elbenda ka CLTV, mo ko sinout out, mga ngayang kakamil. Sana wala kang makalimutan sa iyong greetings. Go ahead, Cams.
Maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta sa akin and sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta po sa akin. Especially to my friends, my family, and of course to our one and only honorable Captain Laverne Gopez. Thank you for your unending support po, Cap. And of course to my friends and to my glam team and of course to my co-candidates. Kaya natin to and see you on the coronation night. Thank you po.
Cams, ikaw ba'y nag-aaral
Yes.
pa?
Yes po. Currently, I am a third year BS Tourism student at the University of the Assumption.
Okay. Bakit ito ang napili mong kurso, Cams?
Yun nga po, kagaya po nung na-mention nyo, since then, I always wanted to serve people. I wanted to keep them safe and satisfied with the services I offered. I chose this path since I believe that with these, I can serve people and at the same time, I can travel. Since I love traveling, at the same time, I love guiding people and serving people. With that, I think my experiences po all throughout my travel journey can help other people po in terms of their future travels po.
Oo, and gusto pala niyang maging parang travel, travel blogger,
Yes.
travel program. Magpunta kayo rito, ganyan-ganyan. So I think in the future, baka maging flight attendant ka, Cams. Ganito ba yon? Ganito ba yung plano natin?
Yes po, hopefully po.
Oo, syempre, kailangan mag-aral ng mabuti and reach for your dreams. And ngayong nag-aaral ka, sumasabak ka rin sa mga rehearsals, practices ng Mutyaning San Fernando. At the same time, feeling ko naman may mga sarili ka ring lakad, may mga nice kang gawin. Paano mo ngayon na pagsasabay? Yung iyong pag-aaral, yung personal time, and of course, yung preparation mo for this prestigious event ng City of San Fernando.
To be honest po, at first, medyo hesitant po ako to join the Mutyaning San Fernando since I am running for Latin Honors po in our university. But thankfully, na-realize ko na hindi ko po dapat sayangin yung opportunity since one-time opportunities lang po siya for us ladies. Kaya ginrab ko po siya. And luckily po, ngayon, nahati ko naman po yung time ko in terms of pageantry at the same time in schools po. And fortunately, nakaka-defense lang po namin last time and we got the highest score po.
Ayun, and talagang importanteng ma-manage na mabuti yung oras. Pero kapag may time ka para sa iyong sarili to rest, para makapag-distress, anong iyong ginagawa? Nanonood ba ng Korean novela? Nagde-Netflix ba yan? Or lumalabas at kumakain kahit saan po, nagpapasyal? How do you spend your time na pansarili?
Noong una po, kapag may mga free times po kami, syempre nagpa-prioritize po ako sa pagtulog, sa pagkain. Actually, after po nung swimmer competition namin, aaminin ko po, tumakbo po talaga ako literal dun sa may sabjihan sa may banda sa amin.
Uy.
So, inis pa yung sarili ko despite the stress po na, ayun po.
Nga, kahit naman ako syempre, kahit kung akong sasali sa swimsuit competition, pagkatapos kong rumampa, uuna kong o-orderin si Charong Bulaklak, tsaka Bulalo, tsaka ano pa bang pwede resident historian Ray Bravo. And after hearing this, papaano ka naman nakasali? Or how did you start dito sa larangan ng beauty pageantry? Bata ka pa lang ba, inaisasali ka na sa ganitong mga patimpalak?
Yes po, actually nag-start po ako way back 2017 po when I was 15 years old po. And pareho po na na-scout po ako sa barangay officials po dun sa resident kung saan po nakatira yung mga grandparents ko kasi dun po kami lumaki. So na-invite po ako. Then luckily po, sumali po ako sa Mutianing San Rafael 2017 and I won the second runner-up po. Then sumunod na po is yung 2022 which is the Mutianing Bulaon po.
And papaano ka napili naman ng iyong barangay bilang kanilang kinatawan for Mutianing San Fernando?
Noong way back 2022 po, nagkaroon kami ng Lakan at Mutianing Bulaon 2022. And I compete with 9 beautiful ladies po. And fortunately, nanalo po ako as the title. That's why nung meron pong screening for the Mutianing San Fernando, agad po akong kinontak ng barangay officials namin to join the said prestigious pageant po.
Oo, and siyempre, I think the whole barangay is behind your back. Ngayong ikaw ang kumakatawan para sa Barangay Bulaon. And kamusta ngayon ang iyong preparations for the upcoming Coronation Night? Kakatapos lang ng Flores de Mayo, talent portion, ng swimmer competition, and the closed-door interview. How are you preparing naman for the Coronation Night natin this coming Saturday?
Aaminin ko po, it's not easy po for the preparations kasi madami pong nire-require talaga siyang oras. Pero at the same time, kahit medyo pagod po kaka-prepared, at the same time, super nag-enjoy naman po ako. And yun nga po, for the upcoming Coronation Night, I prepared a lot for it po. So, literally and figuratively a lot po. So, if you wanted to see what I have prepared po, kindly watch and support us on our upcoming Coronation Night at the May 27 at exactly 5 p.m. in the Branzigyao Convention Center po.
Yan, alam mo, nakakatuwa na talagang lahat kayong mga candidates ay binubuhos nyo ang inyong angking galing, talino at oras bilang makronahang Mutianing San Fernando 2023. And syempre, bibigyan kita ngayon ng pang Miss Universe question na naitanong ko rin ito sa ating mga recent candidates na guest natin sa ating programa. And Camille, here is your pang Miss Universe question kahit nasa Mutianing San Fernando ka pa lang. Camille, kung ikaw ang mananalo bilang Mutianing San Fernando 2023, ano ang mga concerns sa City of San Fernando ang nais mong solusyonan?
As we all know po, there are a lot of issues that are happening not just in our municipality itself as well as in the whole Philippines po. So if I've given a chance to win the title to be the official Mutianing San Fernando 2023, of course, I will push through my advocacy, which is the preservation of our native Kapampangan script, which is the Kulitan. Since it is a big issue in our municipality, since meron tayong sariling script, but it is a dying script. Only few of us knows its existence. And of course, I wanted to address that by providing certain programs, additional museums and centers for our AGCAS organization who are actually spreading and preserving our Kulitan script. And also, I wanted to address the sexual harassment and sexual violence issue that is not just an issue here in our municipality, but in the whole Philippines and in the whole Pampanga. because there are a lot of people who doesn't know that they are a part or a bully of certain sexual harassments and violence. There are a lot of people or young ones who doesn't even know that even a simple catcalling is a part of a sexual harassment or sexual violence. That's why if I'm given a chance, I will of course prioritize these certain issues and will provide programs and additional trainings to solve these certain problems po. Thank you.
Alright, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon ngayon, Camille, na muling imbitahan ng ating mga manunood, ang mga taga-barangay Bulaon. Imbitahin mo silang suportahan ka at ang iba pang mga kandidata sa nalalapit na Coronation Night ng Mutyaning San Fernando.
Hello everyone. It is an honor and a privilege to be part or to be able to represent our barangay, which is the Barangay Bulaon, this coming Mutyaning San Fernando 2023. And I wanted to thank everyone who is part of the journey all the way and all throughout my journey in the Mutyaning San Fernando 2023. So I am inviting everyone to please watch and catch us on May 27, 2023 at exactly 5 p.m. at the convention at the Beranzig Yao Convention Center. We will be showcasing to all of you the things that we've prepared, and of course, please support me as well as these beautiful ladies that I am with all throughout the journey of the Mutyaning San Fernando 2023. Once again, I am Miss Crystal Camille T. Bamba, your Mutyaning Bulaon.
Maraming salamat, Crystal Camille Bamba. Sana ikaw ang manalo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Sinabi ko rin yan sa ibang mga candidates. May the best candidate win. Alam ko, pinagpaguran niyo yan ng husto. And you prepared a lot for this. And you all deserve to win. But there can only be one. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, kailangan naman po natin ang pambato ng Barangay Malpitik para sa Mutyaning San Fernando 2023. Huwag po kayong aalis. Babalik pa po ang topic. Kayo nakatutok pa rin sa ating programang topic. Nais ko po munang batiin ng happy 103rd birthday kay Lucina Galang. Naku po, 103. So kung 103, compute nga natin. Naku, matagal-tagal na panahon na yon. Marami na hong karanasan ang dumaan kay Aling Lucina. And for your birthday po, wishing you another 100 years. And siyempre, good health upang mapanatili pa ho ang 100 years natin. And maraming blessings, maraming pagmamahal po para sa inyong pamilya. And ang greeting sa po ay ito ay mula sa Napao family and especially from Sir Jerry B.G. Napao. Mabuhay po kayo at mag-birthday hanggang gusto nyo. Happy birthday kay Aling Lucina Galang. And then let's read your comments sa ating topic question of the day. Saan masarap magbakasyon na tuwing summer? Ang sabi po ni Tin De Guzman na isa sa ating top fan, Hong Kong. Mukhang maraming pang Hong Kong si Ma'am Tina. Sama mo naman kami. Ang sagot naman po, komento ni Raymart Ragmat Manusing. Matik ako, Norte. Kaya lang, yung Norte kasi marami yan eh. May De La Paz Norte, Surigao del Norte, Ilocos Norte, Carne Norte. Pero kahit saan man yan, mag-enjoy ka sa iyong summer, Sir Raymart. Si Efren Gopez na isa sa ating top fans, ano kayang lugar ito? Yung budget. No? Sabi niya, depende sa budget. So, may bago ng lugar pala. Doon sa mga masarap magbakasyon, yung budget. Kasi yung alam ko naman kasi, kung yung saan masarap kumain, yung bahala ka, yun, mahirap din yun. Saan ba yung lugar na bahala ka? Or kung anong gusto mo. Yun. Parang ganun din pala to. Salamat po sa inyong mga comments. Keep them sending. Babasahin po natin yan sa ating programa hanggang matapos ito maya-maya. Hindi rin pahuhuli ang pambato ng Barangay Malpitik para sa Mutianing San Fernando 2023. Bata pa lamang daw siya ay pangarap ng niyang maging isang beauty queen at maging role model lalo na sa mga batang kababaihan. Kaya naman kayong may sapat ng lakas ng loob upang ipakita ang ganda, talino at talento, hindi na siya nagdalawang isip na lumahok sa pinakamalaking beauty pageant sa syudad. Makipagkwentuhan po tayo kasama si Pauline Franco mula sa Barangay Malpitik. Welcome sa topic, Pauline. Kumusta ka? Ayan. Pauline, narinig mo ako? Kamusta ka?
Hi po.
Ayan, di ba? Pauline, katulad ng mga naging guest natin dito sa ating programa, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon ngayon na i-greet, i-shoutout, batiin lahat ng gusto mong i-greet dahil baka magtampo kung hindi mo sila i-greet. Sa gananda kayong kanto, Pauline. Otro mo ko sinoutout, I'll bend the ka, king CLTV 36. Sana wala kang makalimutan. Go ahead with your greetings, Pauline.
Hi everyone, to everyone who's watching right now. Happy lunch po sa inyong lahat. First, I would like to, of course, thank my supporters for the support that I've been receiving throughout my journey in the Mutianing San Fernando. Hello to my family, Mama, Ate Cams, Ate AJ. Hi Kurt. Hello to my makeup artist, Mama Marlon, and my hairstylist, Kuya Jasmine. Thank you for making me beautiful. To Doc Clau, Claudine Figueroa of Cura and CFF Dental Clinic. Thank you for making me confidently beautiful with my smile. To Glamari Face and Nail Salon, thank you po for making my nails all the time. To my supporters, thank you very much. To my sisters in the Mutianing San Fernando, we can do this. To my CONT family po, Dean Anel, Doc Bagtas, hello everyone. To, of course, my beloved barangay, Barangay Malpitik, to the barangay officials, Honorable Noel Tungol, Kagawad Gina, and to the rest of the barangay officials, thank you po for supporting me all throughout this journey. I could have not made it this far without all of your support. Thank you po.
Okay. Pauline. Naku, lumalabas yung pagkakapampahan ko. Pauline na ako. Ragong Pauline. Okay? Speaking of supporters, Pauline, naku po, umuusok ang ating mga message na nagpapadala from kay Rosel Manansala, kay Lex Alexa. Talagang nakatutok sila ngayon sa ating programa, no? Talagang full support sila sa iyo. Talagang napakaraming bumabate. Go Malpitik, go Malpitik. And Malaguka, Malpitik. Siyempre naman, no? Talagang piling-pili yan. Talagang kaya siya narito at kasama natin sa ating programa. Pauline, ikaw ba ay nag-aaral pa ngayon?
Yes po, I'm currently a third-year nursing student from the University of the Assumption.
Sige, bilang isang University of the Assumption students, kailangan alam mo to, ano ba ang katangian ng mga University of the Assumption students?
Of course, I'm very proud that the students from University of the Assumption are Biasa, Maganaka, and Mayap.
Ayan, alam natin yan. Lalo na itong si Franz Graciel Barrera Biasa, Maganaka, Ampopang, Mayap. Yung pong University of the Assumption po yan, Karengaliwang eskwela kaya na Nula. Bakit mo napili ang nursing? Is there another nurse in your family or talagang gusto mong maging nurse in the future?
It's my dream. It's a long dream of mine to become a doctor in the future. And I believe po that nursing is a good start. It's a good foundation since in nursing we have early hospital exposure. So it means that we're exposed to different kinds of diseases and we're able to establish therapeutic relationship with our patients. With this po in my journey, with my 3 years journey in the nursing school, I've encountered and meet a lot of people from different backgrounds, different culture, with different diseases. And I came to understand their stories. I heard their stories. And I wish to bring this aspect po as I become a doctor in the future. I dream to be a doctor who has the heart to serve, to cure, and to help people.
Naku, kung ikaw ang magiging doktor, siguro itong si Reynaldo Bravo Jr. agad gagaling sa lahat ng kanyang karamdaman. Siya ang ating resident historian dito sa ating programang Topic. Pero Pao, kasi nahihirapan ako sa Pauline. Merong nag-message, sabi niya, si Nina Pili Gutierrez, baka kilala mo siya, sabi niya, Malpitik, Paura sa Corona. Para sa Malpitik, Paura sa Corona. Talagang very witty. Pero syempre, nag-aaral ka ng nursing, hindi madaling yan. It's not an easy course. Maraming pinagdadaanan ng mga nurses, no? And syempre, you have your own time and you have rehearsals and practices for Mutianing San Fernando. Paano mo napapagsabay lahat ng ito?
I won't deny naman po na it's really hard to juggle everything all at once. Pero I think it's really about managing your time really well. Throughout this journey, I thought I wouldn't be able to do it or to survive, knowing na we just had our finals last week po and nagkaroon po kami ng mga rehearsals. We had our swimmer competition na nagsabay-sabay po. But with God's grace and with enough discipline, I was able to manage my time really well naman po and not sacrifice even a single part of the competition and as well as my studies since that's still my priority after all.
Pao, paano ka pumasok sa larangan ng beauty pageantry? Meron ka bang mga kamag-anak na nag-influence sa iyo na sumabak sa ganitong klaseng kompetisyon?
Ever since I was a kid po, I was already an avid fan of beauty pageants. I used to watch my sisters and hear loud cheers, waiting for their names to be called, and also in the Mutianing San Fernando since they also joined this pageant. So growing up po, I've looked up to them and I've seen how people really listen to beauty queens. They do not just admire the beautiful gowns, the makeups, but they also listen to what they have to say when they are speaking. So with that po, I've realized how you can be so influential when you become a beauty queen, because you can use your voice to inspire other people. You can work with the local government unit to put your advocacies into action. So I really wanted to join a beauty pageant po, particularly Mutianing San Fernando, and one day conquer the stage. And now I'm so grateful that I've been given the opportunity to give pride and honor to Barangay Malpitic, and I'm so excited to let you see what I can offer during the coronation night.
Pau, syempre, you've said earlier na meron kang sisters pala na sumabak na rin sa ganitong competitions. Meron bang konting pressure dyan sa iyo ngayon? Dahil syempre, yung mga ate ko, naku po, papaano, how do you handle this?
Pressure po, as they always say, it's normal. For me, it's part of life. And one good thing about me po is I work best under pressure. I can be more productive, not just kunwari sa school. I want to be pressured so that I can give my best and look at every detail and make it perfect. So I brought that aspect here in the Mutianing San Fernando. Since sabi niyo nga po, my sisters have already competed in this pageant, and surely there's pressure, but uh, kamukha po ng just like a diamond that is made under pressure, I would like to shine in my own way in this pageant as well, and bring new flavors and talents and share my story as Pauline and not a sister of Motianing San Fernando. Thank you.
Okay, nabanggit mo kanina na yung mga sisters mo kasali din dyan, no? Hindi yung mga sisterettes mo sa siya na you wish them all well. Kamusta naman ang relationship mo sa kanila?
I'm so happy po na I was able to build new relationships, friendships, and sisterhood here in Motianing San Fernando. I'm really grateful for them po kasi, we're here to compete. That's a fact. But along the way, you realize that you already become a winner just by being able to form new relationships with them and create experiences, stories, and memories that you will forever cherish for the rest of your life.
Alright, Pau, kung ikaw ang mananalo bilang Mutianing San Fernando 2023, as my Miss Universe question to you, anong concerns ng city ang nais mong solusyonan?
In the past weeks, there have been a surge in the COVID-19, not just here in San Fernando, but in the whole Philippines. Immunization has saved most of us Filipinos, not just Filipinos, but everyone in the world, and it has eliminated and ended or even reduced different diseases, including COVID-19. As a future nurse and your Mutianing San Fernando, I want to work with the local government unit and use this platform to address these problems, because COVID-19 may have allowed us already to get out of our homes, but it's not yet over. The battle with it's not yet over. So I would use this platform to tell Fernandinos that immunization can bring far more good than harm, and to drive a strong desire in them to get immunized, to not only protect themselves but also their families and the community, because I believe that it's only when Fernandinos are healthy and happy that's when San Fernando will be a wealthy and a progressive city. Thank you.
Alright, Pau, imbitahan mo naman ngayon ang mga Fernandinos and syempre ang mga taga-barangay Malpitic na suportahan ka at ang iba pang mga kandidata ng Mutianing San Fernando 2023 sa nalalapat ninyong Coronation Night ngayong Sabado.
Once again, hello po. I am Pauline Franco, your candidate number 10, Mutianing Malpitic, and I am inviting you all to come and witness the Coronation Night on May 27, 2023 at Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Please support candidate number 10, Mutianing Malpitik, and the other candidates as we show you what we've got and what we have prepared for the past months. And I wish to see you all there, and I can't wait to hear all your loudest cheers. Thank you po and happy lunch.
Pauline, sana manalo ka. Huwag kang mag-alala. Nasabi ko rin yan sa ibang candidates. And we wish you well. And syempre, deserve nyo lahat yan. Nag-prepare kayo for that. Talagang nag-focus kayo for the competition. Pero syempre, there can only be one Mutya ng San Fernando. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan kasama ang kinatawan ng Barangay San Jose para sa Mutya ng San Fernando 23 sa amin pong pagbabalik. Kayo pa rin po yung nakatutok sa programang Topic. Happy birthday kay Raquel Pangilinan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana'y patuloy na lumago ang iyong negosyo, ang iyong mga hangarin sa buhay. Sana ay maabot mo. And kung ikaw ay malilibre o maghahanda, huwag mo kami kalimutang imbitahan dahil si Raquel po ay dati namin kasamahan dito sa CLTV. Wishing you good health and maraming pang blessings. Mabuhay ka at mag-birthday hanggang gusto mo, Raquel Pangilinan. Basahin na po natin ang inyong mga komento sa ating topic question of the day. Saan masarap magbakasyon tuwing summer? Ang sabi po ni Owi Miguel, sabi niya, Batanes Soy. Owi, alam mo bang sa panahon ngayon sa Batanes, alam ko mahangin doon, no? Kasi itong kasamahan namin si Johnny Coronel, ginawang Maynila ang Batanes nung kabataan niya. Kaya alam na alam niya yan. Ito na naman si Nascam Yarn. Gusto ko yung pangalan nito Nascam daw siya. Sa beach with our families pero pag walang pera, sasama na lang. Basta kasama ang buong pamilya, solve na ang summer. Basta pagkasama talaga yung family, tsaka mga friends mo, no? Talagang masarap na mag-beach or mag-get together tuwing summer. Ito nga si Joe Alan Asuncion, nakailang beses na itong nag-beach Hindi kami sinasama. Si Tinde Guzman, Baguio City, sa summer capital of the Philippines. Si Ruther Manansala, Eddie, sa puso mo. Hindi tayo kakasya, pre. Sa puso ko, hindi tayo kakasya. Ha? Ikaw talaga, Ruther? Pero ang kasamahan namin na si Gian Paulo Yusi, nako po. Ginagawang yung summer, ginagawang winter, ha? Paano ito papunta-punta sa iba't ibang tourist destination. Marami kasi siyang pampasyal. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin, this weekend, meron kami pupuntahan sa Morong ng Mamangon family, no? Ng aking wife. So, this weekend dyan, matagal tong planano, March pa lang. May date na nakabook na. So, hopefully, ma-enjoy namin ang summer getaway namin this weekend. Bilang kauna-unahang municipal pageant na kanyang lalahukan, sinisigurado raw ng ating bisita or ng local pageant sinisigurado ng ating bisita na siya'y handang-handa physically, mentally, emotionally, at spiritually. Ang daming ali. Ang pambato na kaya ng Barangay San Jose. Barangay San Jose. Parang Giant Lantern Festival, ha? Siya na ba ang makakasungkit ng corona bilang Motsaning San Fernando 2023? Ngayong araw, alamin natin ang ginagawang preparasyon ni Jamail Ann Manyo para sa pinaka-inaabangang kompetisyon. Welcome sa topic. Kumusta ka, Jam?
Hello po, good afternoon po.
Ayan, Jam, katulad ng mga naimbitahan nating kandidata nitong mga nakarang mga araw, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon ngayon na i-greet, batiin, i-shout out lahat ng gusto mong i-shout out, mga kapamilya, kaibigan, glam team, followers, subscribers. Baka taragong Ella tumabog kaya ka nung asaganan mo kendalan, Elbenda ka pa CLTV, niya, Ken TV, ang po ken Facebook. Mo kuman shout out. Go ahead sa iyong greetings, Jam. Sana wala ka rin makalimutan.
Maya pagat manapon po kakayongon. Yako po Jamail Ann C. Manyo, 21 anyos, Manibatan, King Barangay San Jose. So first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our barangay captain, Honorable Mercy Macabali, and to all the barangay officials of Barangay San Jose. Second, I would like to thank my family, relatives, to the Katu and Manyo clan, and of course, especially to my mama, to my daddy, and to my kuya. Thank you for showing me your endless support and love. And of course, I would like also to thank my glam team, to my makeup artist, to my handler, to my mentor. Thank you so much for being patient with me. And hello to all the candidates of Mutyaning San Fernando. I am very grateful for the memories that we have shared. And of course, to my friends, hello everyone. And hello din po karing mag-comment and mag-message po kako via PM. Though edda kayo man po replyan metong-metong, I am very grateful. And taos pusong loob ko pong magpasalamat king alang sawang suportang bibiyayo po kanako. Dakal pong salamat.
And speaking of supporters dyan, babasahin ko muna yung nagpapadala ng mga mensahe sa atin. Si Myra King, sabi niya, hashtag San Jose. Si Annalyn Katumanyo, Barangay San Jose, sabi niya. Si Kimberly David Baluyot, go San Jose, go Jam. And marami pa. Sino pa ba ang nagsisend? Si Siang Obrero, Yuli May in Corona. Ay, kempa mo pong 27, karene pa mo po awuli nung sakasakaling yapu ing sumambut. Kay David, go San Jose. Maria Cristina Morta Bautista. Kesha Carla, ay Marakala Jam. Dakal susuporta kaya ka. And syempre, very encouraging para kaya kayan. Talagang palwal mo yung best mo. Pero I think you're still studying right now, Jam?
Yes po, I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at the University of the Assumption, and for the next academic year, I will be a graduating student na po.
Uy, malapit na lang. And syempre, bilang UA student, biyasa, mayap, ampong maganaka, eyo, kakalingwan, makanyan na rin UA students, ne Dr. Chris Balingit, nakakalaguran tamo keng UA. And Jam, nag-aaral ka, graduating ka na, malapit na lang, no? And then, ito ang Motsaning San Fernando. And then, may sarili ka pang mga lakad na nais mong gawin. Papaano mo napapagsabay lahat ng ito?
Siyempre po, as an official candidate of Mutyaning San Fernando, and as a student and as a student leader of the tourism department and also an active member of choir and lector in our parish. Syempre po, sometimes I feel like ako po ba lumakanano kung ipagsiksikan ing ega-naga ng time ko. But siguro po with the help of time management, aba-balance ko po ing responsibilities ko and siguro po kapag love you ing gagawan nyo, alake ang vocabulary you ing salitang mapagal or masakit.
Ito, ating pang message kay ni Jam. Sabi na, Jam, ika na yung the best. Go Barangay San Jose from Asuncion Clan. Makanyan mo naman ni Leilani Panday, Barangay San Jose. Jam Manyo, we're cheering for you. Ay, karakalda po, Ding talagang mag-message for Jam. Pero Jam, makanano ka gumpisa? Papaano ka nagsimula sa beauty pageantry? Meron bang humikayat sa iyo nung bata ka or talagang hilig mo nang sumali sa ganitong competitions, Jam?
Actually po, magmula anak ko, pangarap ko na po itang makyabe kareng beauty pageants. Pero I don't have the guts and feeling ko po, ali ko pa po confident enough to showcase myself. It was only last year po na feel ko po kayong sarili ko na I am ready, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And sinabi ko po kayong sarili ko na I am ready to showcase who I am. And at ko po kening harapan nyo, and I think I am doing my best right now.
Alam mo ka rin netong pictures, one of your pictures that we're showing right now, ang daming mga sash, ang daming mo na palang awards na napanalunan siguro in the recent competitions that you've had. Meron ka bang iniidolong masasabi mo na beauty queen, Jam?
Yes po, actually po, idolize ko po si Miss Catriona Gray.
Oy, yun, talagang si Miss Universe Catriona Gray malaking impluwensya sa ating mga local beauty queens. Pero siyempre, recently natapos na ang inyong swimwear competition, closed door interviews, Flores de Mayo din kayo nitong weekend. And then, syempre, nung nag-press presentation, nag-talent portion din kayo. Ngayon, kumusta naman ang iyong paghahanda for the coronation night this upcoming Saturday?
Actually po, I've prepared a lot for this po. Actually po, nagba-balance diet po ako. I'm doing regular exercises. And then with my passerella po, every time na meron po akong spare of time, I see to it to train and also with the Q&A din po, I'm preparing a lot. So sana po supportan niyo ko po at alben niyo kami pong candidates kayong May 27.
Importante ba, Jam, itang suporta na ning family, support of family, friends, na syempre, minsan kapag nasa stage ka na, kabado, medyo nag-worry, alangan, importante ba sa'yo na merong sumisigaw na Go Jam! Go Barangay San Jose! Upang lumakas ang loob mo kapag dumarating yung mga ganong panahon?
Of course po, syempre po, kapag po dakal po susuporta kaya ka, mas lalo ya pong mag-boost ang self-esteem mo at mas lalo mo pong buring i-drive na galingan mo pa lalo kasi dakal buring manyambut ka, dakal buring na ipakit mo itang best mo and with that po, tabang puso po ito.
Oh, yan, no? And feeling ko talagang napakarami talagang nagme-message sa atin ngayon na sumusuporta sa iyo, Jam. And ngayon, bibigyan kita nga ng pang Miss Universe question. And syempre, ito ay itinatanong ko rin sa iba pang mga kandidata. Syempre, para naman fair lahat kayo, same question na lang. Okay? Candidate Miss Jam Manyo ng Barangay San Jose. Here's your Miss Universe question. Kung mananalo ka bilang Mutsaning San Fernando 2023, ano ang concerns ng City of San Fernando ang nais mong solusyonan?
So if I will win Mutyaning San Fernando, of course I would like to incorporate my advocacy, which is entitled Serve God by Serving Others. So just to share po, I am an active member of choir and lector in our parish. And as a choir, we don't just sing praises. And as a lector, we don't just read the Word of God, but we have a bigger and most important role, which is being involved in our parish social and civic activities in collaboration with our barangay officials. So part of what we do includes the regular feeding, relief giving, and providing loans to the unemployed. And one of the program that I'm particularly proud is the Bakal Para Karing Alang Bakal program. So my advocacy focuses on helping the poorest of the poor of the Fernandinos and the students who actually skip classes because of lack of baon and unemployment. And I believe po na these issues are important to be addressed in the city of San Fernando.
Nako naman, parang gusto ko tuloy kumain na. Kailangan kong magbaon araw-araw upang syempre magawa ko yung gustong gawin I'm glad no na nakausap natin ngayon si Jam. And syempre Jam, invite mo ngayon ang ating mga kababayan, mga Fernandinos, ang iyong mga kabarangay dito sa San Jose na suportahan ka sa nalalapit na Coronation Night ng Mutianing San Fernando 2023 this upcoming Saturday.
Mayap agad panapunan po ulit kaya kayo ngon. I am inviting you all to watch the most awaited event, which is the Coronation Night on May 27, 5 p.m. at the Brand Zigyao Convention Center. Sana po adinan niya pong oras in kaya kaming Coronation Night and supportan niyo kami po kung kandidata ng Mutianing San Fernando. Salamat po.
Mami may palay Annalyn Catumanyo, sabi niya, proud mama
Yes,
here.
po.
And sana manalo ka Jam. And syempre, sinasabi ko sa lahat ng kandidata to, baka isipin nyo, si Jam yung pambato ko. May the best candidate win. Lahat kayo, pinaghirapan nyo ito. Lahat kayo nag-prepare dito. Pero syempre, there can only win one. There can only be one. Mutya ng San Fernando. Nakakalata na yata yung gutom ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa ating programang Topic. Tumutok lamang sa CLTV 36 para sa latest updates. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado, taga rito. Kasama nyo sa aking anak na si Harper Arabella at wife na si Patricia, CLTV 36. Atin to.